How to live a luxurious life, the tips and tricks you need to know. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. If you've ever dreamed of living a luxurious life, you've come to the right place. In today's video, we're going to share some invaluable tips and tricks that will help you elevate your lifestyle to new heights. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content like this. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Define your version of luxury host. The first step to living a luxurious life is to define what luxury means to you personally. It's important to remember that everyone's definition of luxury varies. Take a moment to reflect on what brings you the most joy and fulfillment, as this will be the foundation for your luxurious lifestyle. Consider the elements that make you feel truly luxurious, whether it's indulging in fine dining experiences, traveling to exotic destinations, surrounding yourself with beautiful art, or enjoying the comfort of a well-designed living space. By understanding your own unique perspective on luxury, you can align your goals and actions to create a lifestyle that truly resonates with you. So, take the time to explore your desires, passions, and aspirations, and use them as a guiding light to shape your own version of luxury. Number 2. Set clear goals. Setting clear goals is crucial when it comes to living a luxurious life. Take the time to identify your short-term and long-term objectives that align with your vision of luxury. What are the specific achievements or experiences you want to attain? Write them down and make them tangible. Creating a list of goals will help you stay focused and motivated on your journey towards luxury. Once you have your goals defined, it's important to create a plan of action. Break down your goals into smaller, manageable steps and assign deadlines to each of them. This will provide you with a roadmap to follow and keep you accountable. Remember, clear goals coupled with a well-structured plan will propel you closer to the luxurious life you desire. So, take the time to set your goals and start taking action today. Number 3. Cultivate a growth mindset. Cultivating a growth mindset is a key aspect of living a luxurious life. It involves embracing challenges, learning from failures, and continuously striving for personal development. To cultivate a growth mindset, it's important to seek knowledge and invest in your education. Stay curious and never stop learning. Read books, attend seminars, and surround yourself with individuals who inspire and challenge you. Additionally, be open to new experiences. Step outside of your comfort zone and explore unfamiliar territories. Embracing change and seeing obstacles as opportunities for growth will enable you to overcome any setbacks and evolve into a better version of yourself. Remember, a growth mindset is the driving force behind continuous improvement, which is essential in your journey towards a truly luxurious life. Number 4. Surround yourself with quality. Creating a luxurious ambience requires surrounding yourself with quality items. Opt for well-crafted furniture that exudes elegance and sophistication. Invest in timeless fashion pieces that stand the test of time, enhancing your personal style. Choose high-quality materials for your home decor, such as luxurious fabrics and exquisite finishes. Surrounding yourself with quality not only elevates the aesthetic appeal of your surroundings, but also creates a sense of comfort and longevity. Quality items are built to last, ensuring that your luxurious environment remains pristine and enduring. Remember, when you surround yourself with quality, every aspect of your life is infused with a touch of luxury, making your everyday experiences even more exceptional. Number 5. Create a personal sanctuary. Make your home a personal sanctuary for relaxation and rejuvenation. Add cozy textures, calming colors, and personalized touches. Create a warm and inviting atmosphere that reflects your unique taste and brings you joy. Transforming your living space into a sanctuary will provide you with a luxurious retreat to unwind and recharge. Number 6. Develop an eye for detail. Living a luxurious life goes beyond the surface level. It's about honing an impeccable eye for detail. Paying attention to the smallest elements in everything you do can make a remarkable difference. Take pride in your appearance by dressing impeccably and selecting outfits that exude elegance. Extend this attention to detail to your social interactions as well, ensuring that your gestures, conversations, and etiquette reflect sophistication. Remember, it's the little details, such as the perfect accessory or a well-timed compliment, that elevate your overall luxurious lifestyle and leave a lasting impression on others. Number 7. Cultivate a taste for fine dining. Fine dining is a quintessential aspect of living a luxurious life, where gastronomic experiences take center stage. Cultivate a refined taste for exquisite cuisine by venturing into gourmet restaurants known for their culinary artistry. Embrace the opportunity to explore new flavors, textures, and innovative dishes that push the boundaries of taste. Expand your knowledge about the art of food and wine pairing, discovering the perfect harmony between flavors. Indulge yourself in exceptional dining experiences that transcend the ordinary and immerse yourself in the delights of culinary excellence, allowing your palate to savor the epitome of luxury. Number 8. Travel in style. Traveling is an incredible avenue to embrace luxury in your life. Discover the allure of exotic destinations and make it a priority to plan trips to your dream locations. Immerse yourself in the culture, indulge in extraordinary accommodations, and witness the beauty and opulence each place has to offer. Traveling in style allows you to create lasting memories and relish the ultimate luxury of experiencing the world in all its grandeur. Number 9. Invest in experiences. Luxury extends beyond material possessions. It encompasses enriching experiences. Invest in experiences that bring you immense joy, fulfillment, and personal growth. Seek out exclusive events, indulge in rejuvenating spa retreats, explore new hobbies or passions, and engage in philanthropic endeavors that resonate with your values. These experiences will add depth, meaning, and a sense of fulfillment to your luxurious life, creating memories that will endure for a lifetime. Number 10. Practice gratitude and generosity. Living a luxurious life is not solely about what you possess, but also about how you share your blessings with others. Cultivate a practice of gratitude, appreciating and expressing thankfulness for all that you have. Additionally, practice generosity by extending a helping hand to those in need and giving back to your community. Embrace philanthropic endeavors and support causes that align with your values. By practicing gratitude and generosity, you infuse your luxurious life with a sense of purpose, fulfillment, and a deep connection to the world around you. And there you have it, our top 10 tips and tricks for living a luxurious life. Remember, luxury is not solely defined by material possessions, but by the quality of experiences, personal growth, and the joy and fulfillment you bring into your life. We hope that these insights have inspired you to embark on your journey towards a more luxurious lifestyle. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content like this. Also, let us know in the comments below what other topics you'd like us to cover in future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, may your life be filled with abundance, joy, and the true essence of luxury. Take care, and we'll see you soon.